I'm in the driver's seat. Your seat. Eyes up. Mirrors set. Hands at 9 and 3. Let's rank 2025's affordable to mid-range sports cars by what actually matters when you're hustling. Handling feel, driver visibility, side mirror coverage, and real-world reliability. Top tier. Cars that just don't quit and let you see everything you need. Mazda MX-5 Miata. Low hood, thin pillars. Mirrors that actually show lanes, not your elbows. Steering talks to me. Manual. Quick 6-speed auto, rear drive only. No CVT. Dealer ad. Brembo brakes, BBS wheels, mild aero lip, factory exhaust. Toyota GR86, Subaru BRZ. Same great sightlines as Miata, a touch more room, predictable rear drive. 6-speed manual, 6-speed auto, no CVT. Dealer, TRD STI springs. Cat back, bigger pads, lines, stickier tires. Reliability has matured, keep oil temps happy. Porsche 718 Cayman Boxster. Surgical visibility for a mid-engine. Low cowl, precise mirrors, 6-speed manual. Lightning PDK rear drive. Dealer ads, Sport Chrono, Payasum, Porsche brakes, bucket seats. Not cheap, but dependable when serviced on time. Strong middle. Fast, fun, a bit chunkier to see around. Ford Mustang GT. Dark horse. Big power, big hood. Mirrors are good. Rear 3/4 blind spot is the thing. Manual, 10-speed auto, rear drive, no CVT. Add Ford performance, exhaust, track springs, Brembos, supercharger kits with warranty if dealer installed. Reliability is decent. Keep up fluids. Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, C8. Mid-engine with surprisingly good forward view. Rear camera mirror is your friend. Dual clutch only, rear drive. Z51 pack is the must. Dealer adds, aero, exhaust, track alignment. Generally robust, watch tire wear and heat cycles. Toyota Supra 3.0, long hood but low dash, mirrors cover lanes well, 8-speed auto only, rear drive. ECU tunes exist, ask about emissions, reliability strong, service like a BMW. Nissan Z Nismo, fun torque, upright view but thicker pillars, 6-speed manual or 9-speed auto, rear drive, no CVT, Nismo brakes and cooling help, reliability improving, mind heat and clutch hydraulics on tuned cars. BMW M2, boxy glass helps, mirrors are wide, rear pillars thick, manual or 8-speed auto, rear drive, dealer M performance, brakes, coilovers, buckets. Porsche 911 Carrera, best all-rounder, clear sightlines for the speed it carries, manual or PDK, rear or AWD. Dealer, Sport Chrono, rear axle steer, PCCB.